Hello and welcome to this new video on how to change gender in Temu. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of your choice. In the top of the web browser, there will be a search bar. Click on the search bar and you just have to type Temu and press enter in the keyboard. After that, you just have to click on the first search result, that is Temu, and the Temu interface will be opened. And when you are inside the Temu interface, you just have to look in the top right navigation bar. There is orders and account button. Just click on that button, and after that you have to look in the left hand side. There are list of certain things. You just have to scroll down until you find your profile button, and you just need to click there and your profile section will be open. And in this section right next to your name or in the right side of your name, there is an edit button. Just click on that edit button. After that, the edit section will be shown to you, and there is a gender section where you can choose female, male, or rather not say. You can just choose your gender according to your wish just by clicking the button on the left hand side of the name, and you can just click on the save button that is in the middle of the screen, and you will be able to change your gender in Temu. So this is how you can easily change gender in Temu. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.